Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm here in Athens, Greece, and I'm in my Airbnb and I want to take a second and show you the door. I know, what a neat experience to see a door. Well, it's not just a door. I haven't ever seen one like this before. So let me go show you what we're talking about. And it's just a sliding glass door, but it's pretty neat the way they did it. Let's look. So if we turn the camera around, so there's the sliding glass door. Right? It's just a sliding door. It's got a lock on it and everything else. I mean, it's just a basic door, right? Well, there's something different about it. So you can see that it goes into the wall, right? I mean, so you can see that, instead of just having, in America, we have one pane here and then another pane next to it, and they slide over each other. You know what I mean? But this one doesn't. This one goes into the wall. Right? But what's interesting about this is, if I didn't even notice, but if you look, there's like 3 different things here. Well, look at this one. There's the screen as well. And it's got this felt liner that seals it against that other door. So you can have one door halfway open, halfway closed, whatever. Okay, so I thought that was pretty neat. I think that's pretty slick, you know, and maybe I'm behind the times on doors. I don't know. So anyway, so let's shut this one. But what's the next one? Is this amazing? It's a shutter. So really, in this door panel, they have literally 3 different doors in this one wall unit thing here. I don't know. I've never seen one like that before. I mean, and they're certainly heavy. I mean, that glass is probably, I don't know. Golly, it's crazy. And it's got this thing in the middle, so I think it's probably, double paned or whatever with gas filled. But anyway, I just found it pretty outstanding that it had all 3 things all built into one pocket door. Okay, that's it. I know, silly, but it just struck me as unique. And all the doors are that way. So, kind of cool. Okay, bye-bye.